So what are we doing? I wasn't really paying attention.
We're doing a challenge, MK challenge. It's the next part of the police station trial.
Put my chair.
Alright.
Just remember, a little off the top.
I was trying not to die that much this time. At least I am.
And no Holocaust jokes.
You and I are building a bridge to span the abyss of history. You
Where's my
will be the
impulse? I'm sorry.
citizens of the future. Manifest in your individual power.
Intrusive thoughts one.
My ancestors talking.
What's up, bud? You gonna shock your dick again?
Oh,
He's
no.
got a hand in his stomach. Oh,
Okay, I think something's going different, okay? I got Mr. Shocky.
Stop the crazy.
he inside of his gut.
Again?
We got two different fucking plays or cutscenes.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's like what side of the room it's still on.
Let's go to therapy, boys.
Never been to group therapy before. That's a lie.
Cancel the autopsy.
Oh, this is already a little different.
Yeah.
Hold on. Right here.
Ooh, poster.
Broken glass on the floor over here.
Guys, I found a poster. It's right here. Hi. It's right here.
There?
It's right here.
Oh, you already grabbed it.
Oh, I thought everybody needed to grab
Right
it.
there for it.
Well, don't.
I've learned to not just sprint for no reason.
I do.
That's the best of them.
Hey guys, you want to grind them? Let's grind them.
Oh, you locked the fucking door.
It's meat grinding time.
Yeah, y'all do that.
Find keys to release agents to their deaths.
Ooh, I'm getting the spade key.
We need to go together.
No. Shit. Guys, I fucked up.
Just leave me alone!
I fucked up. Ah. Oh shit. You fucker.
Colby, come with me.
This you?
No.
That's not you!
He's chasing me.
That's not you, Colin! Help me!
What the fuck am I gonna do?
You have moral support?
Don't stab me.
Oh my god. I do not want to fuck with you. Oh no.
Apparently I'm killing myself.
Colin's getting stabbed by his own motherfucker. Thank God, Colin, you took that for me. God damn it, Colin. There's somebody coming up behind you. Hold on.
I think that guy might have been because of me. God, this is so bad. Alright, guys, I found the spade key. Good luck. Motherfucker! Are you Nova? You bitch! You little fucking bitch. She stole my chips, guys. She fucking stole my chips.
Colby, what are you doing?
Wondering what you're doing. God damn it. Guys, I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh, are you getting chased?
I don't think so.
Nope, I am.
How?
fine.
That's a big motherfucker.
Yep. I avoided healing. I found a gun. Colby, I found a gun.
Did you really?
Yeah. Well, a revive pistol. Oh. Oh shit. I'm not. We cool. We cool.
Found the crown key.
I found the bunny and the clubs.
We need to find the eye key.
Somebody
Found the
help
eye
me.
key.
Guys, I need assistance. Not really. I found a star, so we need a crown. Oh,
Too
hi.
much react. Come here, you.
What are you doing in a fucking big... Guys, I'm bleeding out. Don't let me die. Don't let me die. I don't know how much time I have left. It's full. Oh, I died.
I got somebody right beside me.
Don't worry, I had a gun on my body.
Oh yeah. Hey, that's the same guy that was right next to me.
No, you don't need hearts. You don't need hearts. We just need the club. I mean, the crown.
Oh, I didn't know that hurt you. That's crazy. God damn it.
Get in there.
Clean house.
Jeremy, how the fuck did you get over there?
To the garage.
I haven't even seen a syringe.
I have one on my body. Colby, go right.
Hold on. Put a key in.
You didn't want to watch the guy get ground up? Oh.
No, because it's releasing somebody. I knew it.
Who's that?
It's me.
Not me.
It's me.
No, it's not. You're fucking hide. God damn it, Colin, you better hide as soon as you put that fucking key in too.
Fucking homemade queso is the best. Alright, now this game's got my full attention.
Oh, you fucker.
He's good, Colin. He's good. You're good, Colby.
Did you?
You're good. Don't run through those. That's why.
Still no! That dude was camping your fucking body. Come on, go upstairs. There's always something good upstairs. Oh, you can't.
Ugh.
Don't you fucking.
Which one did you give me? This one?
Yeah. He doesn't see you. He doesn't see you. He doesn't see you.
My fucking ass!
We don't need to start, right?
Colin, you need the crown. So just look at the bodies and look for the crown.
The only way I've been down here.
Oh, Colin, come revive me.
I don't have
Revive
a
me.
fucking syringe.
It's on my body.
Oh, he has a syringe
Oh.
when he died.
He's in the
There's
locker.
somebody.
Yes.
There's somebody in that fucking locker.
You hear him go, eh. Where is it? Did it just drop the thing you're holding? Nope, there it is. Yeah. Yeah. Watch out behind you, too. Guy jumps out of the barrel.
Big guy's walking. Oh no, he's beating the shit out of something over there. He's far at the end of the hallway.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Here's some medicine too. Oh, you have your fucking X-ray thing.
Yeah.
Or your ability.
You wanna use it?
Yeah. There. Oh shit. Why does that piss him off like that?
Because I make noise. Oh shit. Fucking move your fucking hand, you dumb motherfucker. He's moving. Nope, he's standing still.
Yeah. Good Rick.
I don't know what he's doing. See if I can get out. Just
front of the exit. We turned to shuttle, so does that mean we just go back to the beginning?
Yes.
Alright, Colby's walking around trying to kill people.
Oh, fuck off, you big bitch.
Sorry.
Fuck off, dude. I don't know which way to go.
You go here. Oh, hi.
Calling it.
Noise.
I can't fucking run.
Stay right here so we can go back and forth.
Come on, Kobe.
Us. It's here.
Go, Kobe, go. No. Be careful of landmines.
Colby, where are you going, bro?
I know where I'm going.
Hey, Colin, you want to take a seat? You want a little off the top?
I'm good.
You don't want a haircut? All right.
You only get like 120 seconds on the. Is there a countdown somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
Hit tab. God, I'm so bloody.
It's not on there.
I thought I knew where I was going.
You're in the cave.
Keep going. Keep going. Make a left.
Go to sector A.
No, never mind. Sorry.
Keep on. Just keep running.
Now make a left.
That's a right, bud, not a left.
Listen, bro, you just need to get out.
Go, lift that up. Lift that up. Because I remember you went through there. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. And you?
I'm sorry, Colby. I thought you were.
Go, 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 go. Go through the door. Go through the door. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Just
Straight?
go. Go straight. Go straight. Just jump over everything. Go, 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 go. Left.
Left.
Through the door. Go. Through the gymnasium. Keep going up.
Make a
Keep
right.
going straight. Yep. Make it right.
Make it right.
Run, 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 run. Just run past him.
I can't run!
Oh, my boozy.
Go through that door. Go through that door. Through that door and through the crouch space to your right. No, don't worry about it. Just through the crouch. Through the crouch spot.
Oh, it's getting close.
And then in the fucking thing. Oh, you fucking made it. Thank God.
Where was the time limit?
Hi. How are you?
Good job, fellas.
B minus.
Nice.
There we go.
Oh, I got a C. Fuck you guys.
Chinese-
Fuck
You're the one
you.
that died, fucker.
Shut up. Learn, vigilant, distracted,
My personal
important.
grade was a B+.
Important. But total, we got a minus. Colin, how come you didn't get a B+? Huh?
I don't know. Lost sanity, damaged by a floor trap.
I lost sanity, caught by door trap, received damage times 3, incapacitated times 1, and killed in action 1.
Some shorts.
You watching some YouTube shorts?
No, I got a new pair of shorts, bro.
Oh, nice.